Is your 2008-2014 Dodge Avenger key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. This video will guide you through the process step by step. To replace your Dodge Avenger key fob battery, gather these basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it, and a new CR2032 battery. Tweezers can help with handling the battery and work in a well-lit area for easier visibility. To begin disassembling the key fob, first insert the key into the fob if your model has a flip-style design. This secures the fob for safe prying. Next, gently pry open the fob casing. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Apply even pressure to separate the halves without forcing it. For 2008-2014 Dodge Avengers, the key fob typically features a split design with two plastic halves. Carefully separate these halves to access the internal components. Take your time to avoid damaging the circuit board inside. Now for step 3, inserting the new battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the compartment with the positive side, marked with a plus sign, facing up. This matches the original orientation and ensures the battery contacts align correctly with the fob's circuitry. Make sure the battery sits fully in place to prevent any short circuits or loose connections that could damage the key fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together until they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock buttons and the panic alarm while near your vehicle, within 10 to 20 feet.